go to download Photoshop. You go to this website, which the link will be in the description. Download as zip. Make sure you click that one, and then you'll get a box. So just let that download, which take a couple of minutes, seconds, depending on what your Wi-Fi is like. Mine's crappy, so it's gonna take quite a while. Yikes. I really need to remove that. Like, what the fuck? Let's do that right now, actually. See if that fixes it. Because that CPU jumping. Leave me alone. Okay. So when it's complete, it should be a zip, which should come up there. So you just close this off. Right, so you just go ahead and just put that on your desktop. Click on it. You click the Photoshop installer, Crisis Photoshop installer. English, yeah, next. Accept. Next. Create a desktop icon. And it'll ask for a license key, so you need to download this other thing, what will be in the description below. After download. Hello. Yikes, I don't know whether my voice was recording, but after downloading, go to Crisis Photoshop, copy the activation key, and then just simply paste it into the Photoshop, and then it will download. Finish. You should get a link. Run it as admin. Easy clapped. Easy. If you got any help or you need any help or it's not worked, just please leave a comment. Hope you enjoyed. Peace.